Welcome, thanks for joining. This is a video of the ups and downs for the year. Very small snippet of a few of the rides that we did. Guys getting new bikes, crashes, step-offs, and some fantastic places that we'd actually gotten to. So look, sit back, enjoy, and welcome.
Cresford. Might go to the Booty Hotel for something to eat. Have a sit down. It's getting warm out here. Oh, yeah, don't you fall over. Come on. Fuck! Oh, Jesus. Couldn't have been the other way, could it?
Anyway, Brendo on his new bike, he's talking about upgrade his screen already, because he's what? You're getting your little princess head buffeted, mate.
Here it is.
Look at him go. Righto, we're just doing a little trip to Bullavilla today to get someone's new bike dirty. Happy days. That's the biggest smile I've seen in a while, mate. Good on him having a go. Look at that. Oh, mate, you're going to have to drill that frame out now. Oh. She's full of water, son. She's full. Oh, he's off. Got him. His first step off.
The back brake locker.
You pull the clutch in, buddy? Yeah, you're right. You're right. I'll get off. You're right. Right. It's a bit heavier than the last bike, mate. Wait, tell ya, I got that on film. Look up higher. Christen! Go getting up that. That is crazy. Woo! That is slippery shit, that man. Right. Brendo's worried about the big gap, so I just say gun it. As I say, the quicker you go, the better. Just go, don't. Oh, he's off again. He's off again. Oh my God. Oh, I missed the gear. I got you twice in one day.
I told you I was going to join the crash club with the bigger bike.
Oh my God. Did you mark this side? No, you haven't marked this side.
Ordinary. Fuck you, son of a bitch. Oh, that was the number one roost right there. And he still doesn't know. Excuse me.
Memory card.
Oh! What happened back there? How's it look from that angle?
Because it went to go to home position, seen the tree, stopped and came down to that position there. I'm not tall enough to grab it. It'll probably just land on those rocks. That is so bizarre.
Can we push it over there?
Don't know. The stick. Even if you try and push it sideways over this way, mate. Oh, it's angry. It's not happy.
No, it's not happy.
Oh.
Fuck yeah. It doesn't want to go, hey?
Nah.
It's like in that hover mode, it just does. I just needed to come down a bit. So
Yeah.
so I can grab it, because I can, like, it's just there.
Yeah, I know. That's where I was with it. I don't.
What's this?
Well, it will run out of battery life, so it should just land, shouldn't it?
Truck, move the bikes.
Fuck me.
Guess they're coming through here now.
Yeah.
Oh.
Must just landed.
Landing. No.
Shit. Oh, fuck. That truck.
Fucking beautiful, that's alright. It'll just, but it didn't even hit the props hard. Down. What the fuck?
That's fucking bit of a wobbly load when he first rolled up, but hey, we're all sorted. Excited, Marty?
Yep.
Coming around, bud. What has Brett taken us into?
We are not turning back, he said. You reckon you can stop in time?
Don't know.
Well, that's going to be an issue. I guess we're going back up.
Looks like it. How are you going to go getting up there?
Hey?
How are you going to go getting up there?
It's going to be a challenge, but we've got to do it.
Yeah. Huh. I need to go. My tummy's playing up again. I might have to do another poo. Oh well. So you've gone from beginner course to advanced.
Holy crap, how good was that?
How was that? Yeah.
That was awesome.
You thought it was too easy?
I did, I came off. Just,
Oh shit, eh? That was good.
I slid out to the right. Nearly went over. Yep. Direct head on, wow.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Oh fuck. Fucking hell. Brett, you right? Brett? Brett? You right? You right, mate? You right?
Yep.
You right, Dave?
Is anyone injured?
Don't know, mate. What? How you feeling?
Direct head on, wow.
Oh yeah, I seen that. Right, let's get this bike. Let's get these bikes out, mate. We'll drag this 400 out first.
Watch your ant's nest.
Here we go. You right, mate? Yeah. Well, yeah. Yeah. Wait up. Wait. I'll give you a hand, mate. I'll give you a hand. Whoa. You won't get that on your own.
Right.
1, 2, 3. Yeah. There we go.
You got a flat tyre, fucking limb.
Who's that?
You.
Oh shit! Really?
Yeah. Fucking rim. Pretty happy.
Pretty happy?
Get out of here, get some food. Let's give it a ride. Go some fun on the toys. Bring them. Alright. Well, that was interesting. The back wheel locked up. Wow.
That is...
Fucking that thing's doing already.
She is fucking locked. It's unlocked now.
Is it?
Yeah. You sure?
Yeah. Because I wouldn't... Look at the skid bar.
Yeah, right. So you actually hit the brakes and it locked up?
Yeah, touched the brake, locked up, wouldn't unlock.
That's weird. It's
I know what the problem is. It's operator error.
I
And I've just panicked and kept...
I think you have. They are very touchy, mate.
Yeah, I reckon I have. And then what it's done, I've skidded, just lost it.
You've done the old holy shit and just hang on.
Hold and I lay down.
Yeah.
Anything on the helmet?
No, mate, just the noggin that's in it.
Mate, operator error, got to own it, got to take ownership.
Yeah, yeah.
It's on me.
I know you're probably still in like freak out mode.
Mate, without a doubt, the kind of thing that was... Don't kill. The kind of thing... It's slippery, eh?
Just a taddly. He down. She's slippery. Man, had no control of that. How good. Oh, your bot just went over. Fuck. I'll come over and give you a hand. Oi. Hey? You got the big pegs on that? I'll come at the back. Ready, steady. Here, just grab your handle. Got your handlebar? That's it. Right, up we go. Fucking rock. Ah, got my front wheel. Oh, I did too. Look at that. Bloody hell, my foot went straight in the bloody hole. Oh, I'm a bit fatigued, I think. Gotta get going, get going. There we go. Far out, doesn't matter where you go on this section. Holy shit. Oh, he's over. Oh, shit. Here we go. That and that off. Whoa, this is pretty cool. Oh wow. Way down. That is unreal.